Selamat malam. We are very happy, in fact, because this result today it's amazing. It's amazing for us for many factors. The first one, that we won an opponent, very strong opponent, and play in Bali is always difficult, and for sure. And Persik history, I think, is the first time that Persik win in Bali. Besides that, the opportunity to go to enter in the top 4. That situation for us is amazing too, because we are during this long process that we started, we was focused to reach this condition, and finally today we won the game with good consistency. I think we had the best numbers in the game, and even on attack we was very efficient, and at the same time we knew how to suffer. In some moment that Bali put the team forward, we knew how to suffer, we knew how to defend and enjoy the opportunities to kill the game with the third goal. Then that's the point. Very difficult game for us, but now the moment is put the feet on the ground, maintain the consistency that we found in the season, and look forward to reach to the top.
Kita sangat senang bisa dapat kemenangan pertama dalam sejarah, kemenangan Persik Kediri dalam sejarah melalui di Bali. Itulah bagian dari konsistensi tim kita, di mana di setiap laga coach terlalu tekankan kepada pemain bagaimana kita tampil konsisten, dan itu bisa hari ini pemain bisa melakukan dengan sangat baik. Memang Bali coba setelah babak kedua, Bali coba menyerang karena mereka sudah ketinggalan, sehingga Bali mencoba menyerang, namun tim secara utuh tampil sangat baik, sehingga tidak berikan terlalu banyak space, sehingga Bali tidak leluasa. Tapi ya, kami sangat senang bisa menangkan pertandingan, dan kita bisa kembali bisa tampil di papan atas, karena itulah tujuan kami di musim ini.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, alhamdulillah rabbil alameen. I'm very happy I was able to help the team with 2 goals, and most important, we got the 3 points, against a very difficult opponent at their home. I think it was a perfect way to start the second round and the new year, and keep the momentum we have now 4 games in a row. So hopefully we can continue, and we have to, like coach said, keep our head down and focus on the next game, because it's coming soon, and it's against also a very good team. Very happy with the win, but now focus on the next game.
Pertama, dia bersyukur, alhamdulillah, di mana kita bisa menangkan pertandingan, di mana kita lawan tim yang sangat bagus, adalah Bali United, namun kita tampil bagus. Itulah bagian dari apa yang kita inginkan, dan dia sangat bersyukur dalam kemenangan ini, dan berharap kita ke depan lebih baik lagi.
Yes, in fact, all these situations show to us that we have a very strong group, and those players, they really deserve, Majed really deserve his performance today, because he, even in the moments when he was not playing, he never gave up, stayed training hard, stayed focused, and he knew to wait his opportunity, and today he could help us. Brilliant, amazing actuation, amazing performance today. About Husna, the same situation. Is the second keeper, and we know that it's very difficult for the second keeper, because hardly they will play. The second keeper will play, but Husna always training hard, always focused, and today showed and did a very important save during the moment that we was suffering a little. And about Hamra is the spirit of this group. What we say always, we never gave up. We have the semangat, the spirit to fight all the time. Never let the players. And even today, one important situation when some player was going down, the another player come to help or come to cover. Everybody playing together, and that's incredible. I think the players, the group, we need to congratulate, and we really deserve this result because we are doing very well and working.
Kalau kita lihat terlalu banyak kejadian yang terjadi tadi. Kalau kita lihat ada kejadian, kalau kita bicara tentang bagaimana kita bisa lihat bagaimana tim kita begitu kuat ketika contoh Husna yang selalu tampil di latihan dengan konsisten dengan kerja keras, dia dapat kesempatan dan bisa tampil dengan luar biasa. Kalau Majed, memang kita tahu Majed di awal musim agak ada sedikit kesulitan. Nabil berunsur-unsur Majed bisa dapat kesempatan, bisa bermain dari awal dan bisa menunjukkan performa luar biasa. Soal Hamra, kita tahu Hamra adalah orang pejuang. Dia meskipun dia dengan luka di kepala, dia tetap tampil habis-habisan. Tapi itulah bagian yang kemenangan luar biasa. Tapi itu hasil kerja keras dari seluruh pemain yang tampil di lapangan.
Is the coach staff team working like a multidisciplinary commission staff. We are attempting all factors that are important to the players' heads. Have a good performance inside the pitch, and of course the players buying the idea, the believing in the idea that we are trying to change on mindset, a winner mindset, and that's the point. A good coach staff work together with the players believing and giving their best inside the pitch. Today everybody leave the pitch very tired because they live 100% inside the pitch. And that's the point. When you really want something, you need to catch. We cannot just stay waiting the things follow down the sky. We need to catch the things, and that's the point. The players and the coach staff working together.
Oke, kalau kita bicara kunci kesuksesan sehingga tim Persik Kediri bisa menangkan di 4 laga berturut-turut. Kunci adalah kunci kerja keras dari seluruh staff yang sudah bekerja keras, seluruh pemain yang ikut dengan apa yang diinginkan oleh tim pelatih dengan satu tujuan, sehingga itulah kunci di mana semua pemain selalu mencoba ikut apa yang dikatakan oleh tim pelatih, sehingga mereka ikut dengan satu tujuan. Ketika kita punya satu tujuan, satu misi, dengan kerja keras kita akan sampai tujuan apa yang kita inginkan.